welcome aboard the Maharajas Express, the royal way of traveling. As the world's finest luxury train, we combine the Indian spirit of hospitality known where every guest is considered divine, with the best amenities you can find on train tours anywhere across the globe. Each cabin of the train has been furnished with the finest interior and amenities worthy of royalty. The train includes 2 colorfully decorated fine dining restaurants where you can enjoy exquisite dishes in a vibrant ambience. Named after 9 precious gems, Navratna, the presidential suite holds a special place among our spacious cabins, featuring a royally furnished room with 2 beds, an attached bathroom with running hot and cold water, a master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and a comfortable living room. Every aspect of the train has been carefully designed to ensure that passengers have something to enjoy on board when they are on board. Whether it be going through the carefully selected books alone, enjoying a wide selection of board games with fellow travelers, laying back on the massage chair, or appreciating the artifacts spread throughout the train. Other cabins of the train, named after precious gems, also exude royalty with their furnishing and ensuite washrooms. As the train runs through the vast Indian landscapes, our expert chefs prepare delectable dishes on board, with our cutting-edge kitchen using fresh ingredients. Each hearty meal can be personalized for your complete satisfaction. With its attention to detail at every step of the journey, Maharajas Express provides an exclusive travel experience befitting kings and queens of the olden days. If you are ready to explore India the Maharaja way, visit www.the-maharajas.com to book a journey or learn more.